Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of our Brewery Farm Life. It has been a long time and I have to apologize for that. It has been a crazy summer, insane. Spring and summer, I guess. And I've been recording tons and tons of stuff, but just haven't put anything together for you. So I'm going to do that now. If you have been keeping track of my YouTube channel, you'll know that there's been some new podcasts on there. I think there's been about 4 of them. Definitely check them out if you haven't checked them out already. It's a lot of fun. I really enjoy doing them, and there's some really interesting people on them. So make sure you're checking them out. We're going to take it all the way back to the end of April, lambing. So hold tight. This might be a little bit longer of a video than you're used to. On my way out to feed our bottle lambs. Lambing is officially finished, and I'm about to show you. Hi. It's official. We are 100% complete for 2022. Check this little monkey out. So we've called her Bunny. Kind of sad that it's done, I'm not gonna lie. We were a little nervous about this one because she's so tiny, like teeny tiny when she was born. But she's definitely just fine. She's a fighter. So 2022 lambing, 100% complete. At the beginning of May, we decided that we needed to get away as a family. Unfortunately, Matt couldn't get the time off work, but we pulled Michaela out of school and decided we'd take a trip further than we've been as a family in the trailer before. So this was the beginning of May, end of April, beginning of May, and we went to Quebec City. Well, we went to Quebec. We went to Montreal, we went to Quebec City, and a few places in between. It was amazing. And this guy, girl, I guess it's a girl. Vehicles are usually girls. I don't know, are trailers girls? Girl, this girl, she really held strong. And it was quite the journey. So one of the biggest things I wanted to do on our way down to Quebec was to stop at McKinnon Brewing, and there's a few reasons for that. One, it's an awesome brewery that I've been wanting to see for a long time, but too, it was one of our inspirations for when we started our own brewery. We spoke with Ivan a bit at our hop growers conventions. We used to go to them, the Hop Growers Association meetings, and got to know them. And they were kind of doing the same. Well, they started, but they were doing the concept of what we wanted to do. So just kind of learning some different ins and outs of what they were doing was really helpful and kind of got us on the right path. But we've never been here, so it's really cool to stop in and kind of see what they've been up to, and they've got some really awesome things going on here and some differences from when they first started years and years ago. So it's just going to be really neat to meet these guys, or at least Ivan. Ivan's going to meet up with us in a few minutes here, and we'll have a little chit chat. We brought us some beer, because that's what you do as a brewery. Just had a wee chat with Ivan. It's just really cool to be here because, again, this was an inspiration to us, just, you know, trying to get our feet off the ground and get rolling. Had a few conversations with Ivan at the very beginning, and just to see how they've progressed and all the things they've accomplished, it's just inspiring. So hopefully gives us a little bit. This is one of the reasons why we wanted to get away, was just to get a little bit of inspiration. And sometimes you need to walk away from your business in order to get a little bit, just a stop and reset, I guess you could say. So anyway, here we are. It's nice to be back, and hopefully we can get back here maybe in the summer or warmer months, just David and I, for a show or just to hang out with these guys. They're an awesome family, and it's an awesome spot. So if you're in the area, it's just outside of Bath, I believe. I got a little lost when we were following the GPS. Pretty close to Kingston. Stop in, because these guys are awesome. They have some pretty awesome things going on here. McKinnon Brothers. First stop in Montreal is Smoky. You have to come here. It's a must. plate's hot. At our wit's end. And we are only halfway through the day. What's wrong, buddy? You get to sit on that for
an hour.
An hour. You're gonna wish you were walking after half an hour. You're gonna be like, I want to go for a walk now. Some changes to the barn like we usually do. Life wouldn't be normal around here if we didn't do that kind of stuff. And I'm sure you guys have missed seeing the animals. First time on the pasture. Hi, Lorenzo. Hi, bunny. Hi, Betty. Hey, Mama.
Have fun, boys! Oh my gosh, look at Polly.
What is happening?
Oh!
Maybe that'll turn him in a little bit.
I wonder who's gonna be gutsy enough to go up first. Is that Selena? Oh. Parfait!
Parfait.
Parfait!
Poop parfait. It's like a poop cake. Layered poop cake. You smell beautiful, Jen. It's me at my best. It's like the perfume of perfumes. People pay good money for that, you know. These two. Oh, Nettie, you can't. Eating my cherry leaves off the cherry tree. From the other side of the fence. Mo. Mo! What are you doing? What else has changed since I last talked to you guys? Oh yeah! We extended the booth at the farmers market in London. So if you're at the Western Fair Farmers Market, make sure you head upstairs to where our booth is. And you'll see some fun changes there. Maybe even taste some beers. So that's it, guys. That takes us up to summertime at least. And you're just going to have to wait till the next episode to see what happened throughout the summer. Don't forget, if you like what you're seeing, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and share it with your friends. We'll talk to you soon. Cheers.
Well, my daddy left home when I was 3, didn't leave much. For Ma and me, just his old guitar and an empty bottle of booze. Classic dad. Now I don't blame him, cause he run in here, but the meanest thing that he ever did was before he left, he went and named me Phil. Now he must have thought that he was quite the joke, and I got a lot of laughs from my life. folk. Seems I had to fight my whole life through. Some guys were giggling, I get red, and some guys laughing. I bust his head, tell ya, life ain't easy for a boy named Sue. Now I grew up quick and I grew up mean. My fists got hard, my wits got keen. Long from town to town to hide my shame. But I made real vow to the moon and stars that I'd search the honky tonks and bars, and I'd kill that man who gave me that awful name.